Hi everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new here, then thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's going to be a come shop with me. I've been having a little film around Home Bargains, seeing what's new in. I also, I'm sorry if it's too soon for some people, but I did get some of the Christmas stuff filmed just because it's just everywhere. It's just taking over the Home Bargains stores and I'm getting excited for it, I'm not gonna lie. Before I show you around, I'm just gonna show you a couple of things that I got as well. It's not a big haul, I just got a few things that I'm quite excited about. I got a little Christmas planner. I'm just a sucker for lists, notepads, it just makes me so happy. So they do this in Home Bargains. I think I did film it actually, and it says on the front, "'Tis the season to be planning." It's got this little notepad inside. Put your name and your contact details. I love to sit and do things like this, with a nice hot coffee, fire on and that, and just get cozy and then just plan everything out. I just love it so much. So it's got a to-do list. It's also got plans by month. So it starts in September and then it'll just say to do this month. I just love this. Priority sections at the bottom. And then what else have we got? Cards and presents. So that is your list of people that you've got to buy for. I love it. Food and drink section as well. And additional notes. So excited just to have it all in one book. Yeah, very happy with that. I don't think it was very much either. It was 99p, which I think is pretty good because it's going to be used a lot over the next couple of months. I also got a couple of other Christmassy bits that I got because I just thought I'll get it now whilst I'm in here. I got this silicone mould, which is a cake mould, but I'll probably use it for some other things like maybe jelly. I thought it'd be quite good because sometimes I do those big chocolate slabs. It'd be quite good to do something like that for Christmas. They make really good gifts, loads of melted chocolate, whatever toppings and things that you want. So I might actually have a little bit of an experiment with some things like that, and also maybe make a cake, because who doesn't want a cake shaped like a candy cane? Because I know I do. $2.99 for that. Could make a big cookie in it as well. A few different options. I also got some of these just for decoration around the house. It is some cinnamon sticks. They have a few different things like this, so if you're doing homemade wreaths or just little displays, then this is just perfect for that. It's also nice to tie them onto gifts sometimes if you're doing fancy wrapping. And they were £1.29. I love the smell of cinnamon, so I just think they're going to be so nice around the house anyway. I also got some school socks, completely not related to Christmas, but it's just good that they have things like that in Home Bargains because Dylan is growing like a weed and he's outgrowing everything and he needs big socks for his big feet. So I got some more socks for him, just some school socks. Hopefully these will fit him okay. So you get 5 pairs of socks there for just £2, which I'm pretty pleased with actually. They're nice long ones as well. And he still wears shorts all the time. He never will wear trousers, so I want him to have a longer sock ideally. I also got some light bulbs. It's one of those boring purchases, but I really needed to get some. What I really like, and maybe this is just a thing that they do now and this isn't new, but how you can just have a look at the bottom of the light bulb so you know which shape and size it is, because I have no idea and I just know that I needed one of these with the 2-pin things. So hopefully I got the right one anyway. $6.99. Oh, but they are dimmable, which I can't actually use. Well, anyway, hopefully they're right. They're warm white. There was that many to look at and I just really did not have the energy to go looking through. There's a bit of a crowd as well. There was a lot of people buying light bulbs, so I just grabbed those ones and I'm hoping that they are what I need. As well as that, I got this, which I buy all the time. It's micellar cleansing water. I get through loads of this. Well, I wear a lot of makeup, so it's not really a surprise. But so that's $4.99, but it's a huge 700ml bottle. So I was nearly all out of that, so got some whilst I was in there. And I also got a giant Dove, which I really like the smell of, and that was £2.79 for that. So that is everything that I got, just a mini little haul there. But now I'll show you everything that I spotted in store as well. So I thought I'd show all of the Halloween and autumn things first. These mugs, oh my god, I am obsessed with. I bought the Hello Pumpkin mug, but I love all of the designs. I think
that Home Bargains this year have just really got some amazing things in for fall. I love the little pumpkin on the handle. Also thought that travel coffee cup was a really good one as well. I think these glitter pumpkins are really good for adding some nice decor as well, because they're just so inexpensive. I love all of the little cups with the straws and the mugs, and I've got a couple of those somewhere as well. I think that they are really pretty, especially the white pumpkin mug.
Remember the time I told you the way that I felt, that I'd be lost without you and never find my...
I think these wreaths are really good, and actually one year I bought this exact one, this black and white one, and I took all of the tinsel off it, and that's how I made a wreath with lots of artificial flowers and things, because I just wanted to use the frame because it was quite inexpensive. So that's always worth bearing in mind, because getting the actual frame for the wreath, they are perfect.
And we climb right up to the top again.
I've never really decorated for Halloween. It's just not really something that my kids are that bothered about, but they've definitely got some good stuff in Home Bargains if you do go crazy. I do appreciate a really decorated house at Halloween. I think because it's just for one day, it just feels like it's not like Christmas where I'll leave it up for like weeks and weeks. But yeah, I just don't know. I like all of the fall decorations, but just not so much the spooky stuff. But like I say, I do love it when anybody else makes a big effort and when we go trick-or-treating, and yeah, I think it's great. But Home Bargains definitely has some really good decorations in, inexpensive ones as well for Halloween. Then moving on to homeware, I love this laundry basket. I just think it's just really pretty. So I just tried to get the price by getting underneath it there. It's $26.99. They've got loads of gorgeous footstools as well. How cute is this little teddy bear basket that would just be perfect for a nursery? Loads of gold decorations. It's quite eccentric, I'd say, some of it.
Still can't grasp the fact that you want to be mine. Wherever we...
Cute little potted plant for $4.99. There wasn't a huge amount of new homeware in the Home Bargains that I was in, but obviously I think they're focusing mainly on getting all of the Christmas things out, and Halloween obviously is their main focus, because I didn't notice a huge amount of new things.
When I call up,
I did think this was really cute though. This is a $2.99 little candle, and I love these like bee bookends, just perfect little Christmas gifts as well.
been traveling all over.
Also, look at little honey teapots. They're cute. I love all this bee stuff.
We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say.
They've got a lot of good lamps as well in Home Bargains at the moment. Some really big fancy ones. I really like that big gold one at the top. I think it looks so expensive, and it's only $29.99. It's absolutely huge. How cute is this as well? A great little Christmas present. $3.99 sunlight lamp. Also, some really cute pyjamas. I'm just thinking you could do a lot of your Christmas shopping in Home Bargains. How cute with the little zebras on. I love them. If you go to big Home Bargains, it surprises me how many more things they have, and I didn't realise that they did such a vast clothes range for kids and things, which I think is just great.
Look into your eyes.
Then on to my favourite ever. I'm sorry if it's a little bit early for some people, but Christmas is just where I get really excited down these aisles, and they have got loads in already. Like, there is 3 or 4 aisles of just pure dedicated Christmas items, which I love. It was a little bit early at first when it was all out, but now it's getting colder. I'm definitely feeling ready to get excited for Christmas. I love those little angel wings. I think they are so pretty. I do think they are good for doing little pretty decorations. Loads of things as well that I think would be quite good for using for crafts. I've seen some like little dangly, these ones here, these little dangly decorations I think are good for getting, if you're doing any crafting, to glue them to things. Same with these little feathers, like good for things that aren't just at Christmas time. If you're doing any little DIYs, how cute is that as well, with a little crown on it. And these little rockets. What I tend to do every year is get the boys one of these inexpensive decorations to add to their Christmas tree that they have upstairs, and I'll normally get them from Home Bargains. So things like that little rocket are just perfect. $4.99 for all of those gorgeous baubles. I think they just get it right at Christmas. All of these are so pretty. They look so expensive.
I got in a cab when I first got here. Take me to the only place I know. Listen to the people that I found there. If you ever see her, let me know. How long?
These are great for little gifts as well. You can put loads of chocolates and sweets in there. I think it's a bottle holder, but for $4.99 you could fill that with chocolate coins and all sorts, and it would be a nice present. It'd look really cool as well.
Standing in the hall 7 hours, knew that I could make it if I ran. Then I saw you walking out the back door, hand in hand with another man. How long did you wait for?
Another one, I think this again, I think it's a bottle holder. I love all the colourful stuff. This is kind of items that I'll put in the boys' room. I like it to look like a little candy land, and I love decorating their bedrooms. I love this as well for serving all your little snacks on for $9.99. Great if you're having a little party. All of this is great for partying actually. This is a little drinks bucket for $7.99, or for just putting your chocolates in, which is probably what I would use it for. Filling it with celebrations and quality streets. Cute little baking gift as well. I think that'd be good for a stocking, or to go in a Christmas Eve box. I love a wooden platter. Just this one is huge as well, so that's great for doing a nice big snack platter with all your cheese board. Perfect for sitting in front of the TV with a Christmas film on, just filled with snacks. That is just what I cannot wait for. I love these as well. I think they are just beautiful. They're just really nice to have around the kitchen as well. It just adds to the decoration. There's a cute gravy boat as well for $2.99. I love that. These are really good as well. Another good gift, you're filling in with sweets. I love things like that as presents. Great for doing for kids, you know, like a jar of sweets. No child is not going to appreciate having something like that, or filling it with chocolates.
Albany just left you all the same.
And there we go. That is everything that I spotted this time in Home Bargains.
So that is everything for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I would love to know in the comments down below what your plans are for Christmas, like if you're getting excited about it, if you just think like it shouldn't even be mentioned yet. Like, I can understand it, but we've got to have something to get excited about. That's my thought on it at the moment anyway. I just need to try and find ways of doing it like on a nice budget as well, because it's not cheap, is it? Yeah, I'm very excited for it. I think the build up to it is as exciting as the actual day. Yeah, I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will hopefully see you again for my next video. Take care, everyone.